Hi, welcome to Theos Blog. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GitHub repository to your Visual Studio Code, popularly known as VS Code. All right, so what is GitHub? GitHub is a version control system that helps you manage your code base. So GitHub helps you manage the changes that you have on your code per time, and also helps you when you work with collaborations to track where your partners stop, and you can pick up from there. All right, and VS Code is a popular code editor that helps you to format and write your code on your computer. So how do we connect these two together so that we can save and commit our changes through GitHub? So I want to show you that in this video, and stay to the end and watch how that's going to go like. All right, so for the sake of this video, we need two major things: your VS Code, which I am currently on, and a GitHub account. All right, so this is my GitHub account, and let's go back to the VS Code. All right, so how do you get a VS Code? Just go to Google and download the VS Code software on your computer, install it properly, and get started. So we're going to have this interface. And for GitHub, you can go to github.com, sign up for an account freely with them. That's free of charge for the basic package. All right. So this is my VS Code interface, and the first thing I'm going to do is that I already created my website folder, which is at the desktop. So you can come here to actually select, explore, and select where you want to go. But I already selected my website and my desktop. Inside this folder, I'm going to create a file. I'm going to come and click on this. I'm going to call the file index.html. So I have my index.html, and let's just have a little format of an HTML, few lines of code, something we can actually choose an example for committing. All right. So this is my HTML basic structure, and the title is document. So let's just have an header and give this header my website. All right. So now I have these 11 lines of code, and I want to just send it to my GitHub repository and save it there, so I can know today I started with creating some 11 lines of code, and I have my header, and this is my progress so far on this project. So all I need to do is just to open the terminal. And how do I get there? Come to this menu icon here beside the VS Code logo, and click on it, and comes down to terminal. Then you see my new terminal. So click on the new terminal. So this is going to open up. Okay, so this is my terminal, and I have the user some that's the folder inside which folder. So it's in my desktop folder, and the file is in my website folder. So here, just use the code git init. Then you come down to git add. That means add this code base. Then you go to come to your GitHub account. So here you can easily click on this. Click here and click here and select. Then you can actually come here and select your repository. So you select your repository, it's going to bring you straight here. Then you click on new. So this interface is going to open up to you, and here you're going to create this. So you're going to select the owner, which is Theos Tech, is the owner of this repo. All right, I'm the owner. If you have more than one user, but basically, if you don't, just go straight and say my website. All right, so this is available. So I'm going to come here. You can decide to make it public or private, but I'm going to make this public so anybody can access it. So create a repository. So you have this, so you can clone it directly through this, but you can simply come to this place and copy this git remote add origin. So just select this part, then copy it, come back to your VS Code editor, then paste that here. All right. All right, so I haven't done that. Then I say I can now commit my changes. So I say git commit. All right, so add my message. So I say my first website. All right, so that's going to commit. You can see I have this committed right here. Then I'm going to push that. So I'm going to say git push. So this commit is going to be pushed to my GitHub repository. So this I have to push this to a particular branch. Okay, so let me just do that. Git push. Then I'm going to say youth for then saying origin. I'm going to say master. Okay. Okay, so it shows that this has been pushed successfully. So let's go back to GitHub and let's see that. Okay, let me refresh this and let's see what is already here. You can see that index.html committed my first website, and this was committed 2 minutes ago. So this is how you connect your GitHub repository to your editor on your local machine. I hope you're able to learn something. See you in the next video. If this video helped you in any way, like the video for more people to see, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, click on subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.